This video will show you how to balance the oil level of a compressor. To determine if you need to flush the AC system, you first need to remove the faulty compressor. If you have a 5SE variable displacement type compressor that doesn't have an oil drain plug, you can't balance the oil, so you need to fully flush the system before installing the new compressor. With every other compressor, you can now start draining the oil into a cup. The amount of oil you drain from an old compressor should be around 35% of the total oil volume of the AC system. About 15% of the oil stays behind in the compressor because it sticks to the different internal components and therefore is impossible to drain. The average of 50% of the total oil volume stays behind in the AC system of the car. So let's take a closer look. In this example, the total amount of oil in the AC system of the car is 80 cc. You drain around 30 cc of the old compressor, which equals about 35% of the total amount in the compressor. The other 10 cc, or 15%, is still left in the compressor, stuck to different internal components. So, looking at the total AC system, you've now removed 40 cc, and about 40 cc, or 50%, is still left in the AC system. Now, if the amount of oil is too much, the compressor holds the wrong type of oil, or the oil is discolored, the system needs to be fully flushed with refrigerant. If the oil is clean, you can continue on with balancing the oil of the new compressor. In this case, the new compressor is pre-filled with 80 cc as well. That means you need to drain around 40 cc, or 50% of the new compressor, in order to reach a total of 80 cc in the whole AC system. You can double-check the pre-fill oil quantity on the compressor label and verify if it matches the car manufacturing data. After the oil balancing is finished, make sure to use the new oil drain plug and new washer from inside the carton box and tighten it with the right torque. This will prevent leaking of refrigerant after installation. You have now successfully balanced the oil level of a new compressor. For more information, please visit our Denso aftermarket website.